Children, it is a continuation of the hard questions for 100% score. Now you take the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th question. Now let us take the 5th one. So what is that 5th one? Children, you take the 5th question. Solve for x. 12ab x square minus of 9a square minus 8b square x minus 6ab equals 0. Children, you observe this equation. It is a quadratic equation. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a is 12ab and b is minus of 9a square minus 8b square and c is 6ab minus 6ab. Now you can solve this equation by factorizing the middle term or by splitting the middle term. You know that there are different methods to solve the quadratic equation. One method is by factorization. Now if it is possible to factorize this trinomial, then you can factorize and solve the equation. So now let us take the first equation here. 12ab x square minus of 9a square minus 8b square into x minus 6ab equals 0. Write this 12ab x square as it is, and here you open the bracket, it becomes minus 9a square x and minus into minus plus 8b square x, because these two terms must be multiplied by x. Minus 6ab equals 0. Now out of these two remove common and out of these two remove common. Then this 12 and 9 is in the table of 3. So you remove 3 as a common, and a square, a is common, and x square and x square and x, you can remove x as a common. So 3ax is common, and in the bracket here what is remaining? You know that 3 4s are 12, a is outside, b is remaining, and x. Then you write minus, and 3 is outside, 3 3s are, and a is outside, x is outside, so you will get minus 3a plus, and 8 and 6. You know that 8 and 6 are in the table 2, and b square b is common, write that, and in the bracket what is remaining? 4b and x minus 3a you will get, that equals 0. 4bx minus 3a, 4bx minus 3a. So you can remove that as a common, 4bx minus 3a. And here what is remaining? 3ax, and you write plus 2b equals 0. Now you equate each factors to 0. So write that 4bx minus 3a equals 0, or 3ax plus 2b equals 0. Then you solve both the linear equation. Here it becomes 4bx equals 0 plus 3a, 3a, or here 3ax equals minus 2b. Here plus 2b is transferred, and here we have to solve x. So you write x equals 3a by 4b, or here x equals minus 2b by 3a. Here the values of x are 3a by 4b or minus 2b by 3a. In this way you got the solution of this 12ab x square minus of 9a square minus 8b square into x minus 6ab equals 0. Now you take the 6th question. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta equals sec square theta into cosec square theta. That is secant square theta plus cosecant square theta equals secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Now you consider the LHS. So right, first you take LHS. LHS equals secant square theta plus cosecant square theta You know that sec² theta is the reciprocal of cos² theta. So right, it is 1 by cos² theta plus cosec² theta is 1 by sin² theta. Sin and cosec are the reciprocal of each other, and sec and cosine are the reciprocal of each other. So you got sec² theta is 1 by cosec² theta and cosec² theta is 1 by sin² theta. That is sec² theta is 1 by cos² theta and cosec² theta is 1 by sin² theta. Now you take the LCM. What is that LCM? Cos² theta into sin² theta, and the numerator becomes cos² theta into sin² theta, means 1 into sin² theta is sin² theta plus 1 into cos² theta is cos² theta. That equals, you know, sin² theta plus cos² theta is 1. There is identity that sin² theta plus cos² theta is equals to 1, because you write sin² theta plus cos² theta equals 1. That divided by cos² theta into sin² theta. Here what you have to show? That is equals to sec² theta into cosec² theta. You know that the reciprocal of cos² theta is sec² theta and reciprocal of sin² theta is cosec² theta. Naturally it becomes sec² theta into cosec² theta, which is equals to RHS. Therefore you got that sec² theta plus cosec² theta equals sec² theta into cosec² theta. Children, now you take the 7th question. Read that question carefully. It is a application of trigonometry. An aeroplane flying horizontally at a height of 1.5 kilometer above the ground is observed at a certain point on the earth to subtend an angle of 60 degree. After 15 seconds, its angle of elevation at the same point is observed to be 30 degree. Calculate the speed of the aeroplane in kilometer per hour. So what is that question? An aeroplane flying horizontally at a height of 1.5 kilometer above the ground is observed at a point on the earth to subtend an angle of 60 degree. After 15 seconds, its angle of elevation at the same point is observed to be 30 degree. Calculate the speed of the aeroplane. So let us draw the sketch here. Consider it is a point from which the aeroplane is to be observed. Consider the aeroplane is here, that is at a, and it moves straight horizontally to the ground and reaches the point B, and so P is the point at which the aeroplane to be observed, and again here A is the initial point of the aeroplane, B is the second point of the aeroplane, and P is the point from which the aeroplane is observed. Now this is a ground, and you know that this A, you take C, that is perpendicular to the ground, and this BD is also perpendicular to the ground. Now here the angle of elevation of the point A when it is observed from the point P is how much? That is 60 degree. and angle elevation of the point B when it is observed from the point P is 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree. And here what we have to find out? We have to find the speed of the aeroplane. And it is given that aeroplane is at a height of 1.5 kilometer. It is at a height of 1.5 kilometer from the ground. Here you have to find out the distance travelled by the aeroplane first. After that, by using the time taken, you can find the speed of the aeroplane. So, to find this distance, here use the triangle APC and get PC, and next use the triangle PDP and get the length of PD. Then you will get the length of CD by subtracting PC from PD. And this PC, DC and AB are same. If you get CD, that is nothing but AB. So first let us find the PC and CD. So you take the triangle ACD. Right, take here. In the right angle triangle, APC, here for this angle 60 degree, AC is the opposite side and PC is the adjacent side. So you have to take the trigonometric ratio which is having the opposite side by adjacent side. So you take tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan theta is tan 60 degree. Opposite side is PC, opposite side is AC, and adjacent side is PC. Tan 60 degrees, you know, that is root 3. Root 3 is equals to AC is 1.5. AC is 1.5 by PC. So you got that PC is equals to 1.5 by root 3. 1.5 by root 3. Then it is nothing but 3 into 0.5. Here you have to find out the distance travelled by the aeroplane first. After that, by using the time taken, you can find the speed of the aeroplane. So, to find this distance, here use the triangle APC and get PC, and next use the triangle PDP and get the length of PD. Then you will get the length of CD by subtracting PC from PD. And this PC, DC and AB are same. If you get CD, that is nothing but AB. So first let us find the PC and CD. So you take the triangle ACD. Right, take here. In the right angle triangle, APC, here for this angle 60 degree, AC is the opposite side and PC is the adjacent side. So you have to take the trigonometric ratio which is having the opposite side by adjacent side. So you take tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan theta is tan 60 degree. Opposite side is PC, opposite side is AC, and adjacent side is PC. Tan 60 degrees, you know, that is root 3. Root 3 is equals to AC is 1.5. AC is 1.5 by PC. So you got that PC is equals to 1.5 by root 3. As the denominator is root 3, you can convert this in terms of 3 into 0.5. 1.5 can be converted as 3 into 0.5, that divided by root 3, and this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 0.5 by root 3 cancels. So you got that 0.5 into root 3. Consider this is the first one. Now you take this triangle. In triangle PDB. So write in the right angle triangle PDB. Here again you take the trigonometric ratio with opposite side and adjacent side, that is the tan theta equals opposite side by adjacent side, that is how much it is, tan 30, that equals opposite side is BD by PD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that equals BD is same, that is 1.5, and PD. So PD is equals to 1.5 root 3. Do the cross multiplication. This into this equals this into this. So it is, again here you get DC. So you write CD is equals to PD minus PC. This whole minus this part, you will get this CD. CD equals PD is 1.5 root 3 and PC is 0.5 root 3. That is CD equals 0.5 root 3. CD equals 1.5 minus 0.5 into root 3. So CD equals 1.5 minus 0.5 is 1 root 3 you got. So CD equals how much? CD equals 1 root 3, that is nothing but root 3. Then here you got the distance traveled by the aeroplane, that is the distance between A and B you got. Now here you have to find the speed. So you got distance equals root 3 and T equals how much? Here in the question it is given that after 15 seconds. So here T you take 15 seconds. And what you have to find out? Speed equals question mark. So speed equals, you know, speed equals distance by time. Distance by time. Distance is root 3 by 15. Root 3 by, here it have taken 15 seconds. So here, but it is said that we have to find the speed of the aeroplane in kilometer per hour. So here, to convert the seconds into hour, it must be divided by 60 into 60. Then it becomes root 3 into 60 into 60 divided by 15. So 15 ones are, 15 fours are. Then you can say here 6 fours are 24, 240 in root 3. And root 3 value approximately you can have that is 3.0000 you can take. Then if you take the division method, 1, 2 it becomes plus 1, 2. Take the next 0 and 24. So you can take here 200 is there, means it is 27 sevens are 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14 plus 4. So that becomes 7.7, 189 you got. Then 200 minus 189, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 0. Here you add 7, that becomes 34. Again you take 0, 0. Then approximately you can have 3, because 344 into 4 becomes 3 4s are 12, that becomes more than 1200. So it is okay. So you can take it 240 into 1.73. 1.73. Then you take 240 into 173, that is 3 zeros are 0, 24 threes are 72. Then 17 zeros are 0, 17 fours are 68, 17 twos are 34 plus 6 40. That becomes 415. Here 2 digits are there, so you can take 415.20. Write that 415.20 kilometer per hour. Or you can write this one also, 240 into root 3. But this is also approximately, because this 1.73 is the approximate root of 3. So you got the speed of the aeroplane. Speed of the aeroplane is 415.20 kilometer per hour. Now you take the question number 8. A solid sphere of radius 3 cm is melted and then cast into small spherical balls, each of diameter 0.6 cm. Find the number of balls thus obtained. Here we have to find the volume of the sphere and also volume of the small spherical ball formed. So volume of the sphere, big sphere, divided by the volume of the ball is nothing but that is the number of balls thus obtained. So here we have to find the volume of the solid sphere and volume of the spherical ball. Then you take, first you take the, for solid sphere, R equals what? 3 centimeter. Then volume equals what? 4 by 3 pi r cube, that equals 4 by 3 into pi into 3 cube. Then for ball, for spherical ball, what is R? R is 0.6 by 2, because the diameter is given. To get the radius, we have to divide it by 2, that it becomes 0.3 cm. Then volume equals same formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi 0.3 whole cube. Then number of balls obtained equals number of balls obtained. Number of balls obtained equals, you write, what you have to write? Volume of solid sphere divided by volume of spherical ball. Volume of solid sphere divided by volume of spherical ball. Then volume of sphere you got 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube. Then volume of spherical ball 4 by 3 into pi into 0.3 whole cube. Here you can cancel 4 by 3 and 5. So that equals 3 cube, means 3 into 3 divided by 0.3 into 0.3. Then here remove the decimal point in each case, that becomes 30 into 30 divided by 3 into 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens are, 3 ones are 3 tens are, 3 ones are 3 tens are, that that equals 10 into 10 into 10 equals what? 1000. So you can write that number of balls obtained equals number of balls obtained equals 1000. Here you got 1000 balls from. Here you got number of balls thus obtained are 1000. 1000 balls are obtained by the solid sphere of radius 3 cm.